Hey guys, it's Charlene. Today I'm working with some of the products from the most recent release from Whimsy Stamps. I have these really fun hot foiling butterflies. They are awesome. Now these actually match a set that was previously released of stamps, and the dies that are separately sold that work for those stamps also work for the hot foil butterflies. I'm also going to be using this Hello Word and Shadow die, so let's go ahead and get started. Here you can see I have my hot foiling machine. I'm using the Spellbinders Glimmer, but this will also work with other machines. And I just went ahead and hit the timer button, put my butterflies down, put my foil shiny side so that it was touching the butterflies. And then I put my paper, my shim, and my top plate. Now I've sped this up a little bit and cut out some of the wait time so you didn't have to wait while the machine was warming up. So now once it's ready, and you just run it through your die cut machine, and then you can see I'm using this really pretty aqua blue kind of foil, and I'll link down below to everything I'm using. Look how gorgeous those butterflies look. They look awesome. I just can't get over how cool those butterflies look. So here you can see I'm using those dies that coordinate, so I can cut these out, and I'm going to also do a couple in purple foil that I'm going to do off camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and put together a really fun card. This style of cards, really quick and simple. You just foil your butterflies, cut them out, and then you're going to adhere them to a card. That's pretty much it. It's a really easy card to make, but it packs a really big impact because it is this beautiful foil, and you turn it in the light and it kind of changes colors. It's really fun. So I've cut out two of the Hello Word die, and I'm layering them up. Now, like I said, there's also a shadow die that comes along with that set, so you could put those on the shadow die, cut one out and put it on there. But I'm just using the letters for this card, so it's kind of fun. You can do one or the other depending on sort of what you want for your final look. And since I had those big butterflies, I wanted those to be the focal point of this card, so I just used the letters. And I've cut out a piece of this shimmery kind of white cardstock to go on my card base. And this is a 5x7 card. I wanted to make a little bit of a bigger card because I wanted to put lots of butterflies on there because I just thought they were so pretty. So I am going to go ahead and put my sentiment here on this side, and I like to do this when I am working with bigger cards. Sometimes I will put the sentiment on the side like this, so that way I can have my images, my elements that are going on my card going up the card. So you'll see once I finish putting the letters down and I started hearing the butterflies are going to be the main thing that you're looking at when you're looking at this card. And why wouldn't you? I mean, they're so pretty with the foiling. I love this foiling trend that has been going on. It's amazing. And I'm so happy that Whimsy has started coming out with hot foiling plates. They have done an awesome job so far. And I think they will continue to wow everybody with what they have in store for you coming up. Okay, so now I'm going to put little foam squares on the back of my butterflies to go ahead and pop them up on the card. This is going to create some extra dimension on the card. Look how cool that butterfly looks. Like just that butterfly alone looks really awesome. But you can see I've got these purple foiled butterflies, and then I also have these bluish teal green butterflies. I cannot get over how gorgeous that foil looks because it changes colors. And I think it's fun when you have two different colors of foil because then they sort of play off of each other, and it's really cute. So I'm using 3 of the large butterflies, and then I'm going to use 2 of the small butterflies in purple. And I have a bunch of fun butterflies left over that I have used for some other cards, which I'll be showcasing next week during my tutorial. So definitely come back for that tutorial as well, so you can see what I did with the rest of those butterflies, as well as what I did with the coordinating butterfly stamps. So I think this set is really fun. I love when you have the option to use stamps or to foil and a die cut. Like all those options together is amazing because it just creates a whole world of possibilities. And as you guys know, I love butterflies, so this works really, really well. Now I'm coming in and I'm just going to adhere my butterflies, and I'm kind of making it so that one goes towards the right, one towards the left, and one towards the right, so that they're kind of fluttering up the card and going up and over the hello sentiment. So I think I got it. It took me a little while on placement to figure out where I wanted to put everything, but once it was all down, I was super happy with how it looked. And I'm coming in and just adding some little embellishments here to add a little bit of bling to the card, and I have put those, as you can see, in a triangle shape. So I have one down there at the bottom, two on the right, top right, and two on the top left. That triangles work really well for sequin placement, or embellishment placement, so keep that in mind when you are putting together your cards. And that's going to do it for this card. Super easy, absolutely adorable, and you could use this for pretty much any occasion. That's what I like about these big word die sentiments that say things like hello. You can use it for anything. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this card. I hope you find some time to craft today. Be sure to like and subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell so that I can continue bringing you more crafty content in the future. I appreciate all of you. Have a great day, and until next time, happy crafting.